Hey, Doc Martinez here, and thank you for joining me on another journey down the old-fashioned rabbit hole. Today, we will continue with the Bourbon Trail series, with the next stop being Wild Turkey. So today we'll be making a Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye Old Fashioned. Now this stop was a little bit different from my usual stops because their gift shop is currently in a small building away from the distillery. It is a small cozy place and it was a fun quick stop. My family and I really did enjoy it. Wild Turkey is a brand of Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey distilled and bottled by the Wild Turkey Distilling Co. The distillery is located near Lawrenceburg, Kentucky, and it was started in 1855 by Austin Nichols as a wine and spirit wholesale grocer. For 75 years, we've been making our whiskey at the top of Wild Turkey Hill in Lawrenceburg, Kentucky. It's where spirited tradition and devotion to our craft come together to yield an unparalleled lineup of bourbon. Cocktail quiz time. How did Wild Turkey get its name? The lore to this story is very interesting. Stay tuned to find out. Wild Turkey Master Distillers. Wild Turkey is a distillery with a long and storied history and home to the longest tenured master distiller of all time, Mr. Jimmy Russell. Now some call him the Buddha of Bourbon, but he just calls himself plain old Jimmy from Kentucky. A man whose influence on bourbon community and global perception of the category can only be understated. He is the walking embodiment of a living legend. Wild Turkey has another master distiller, and only a bold vision can fill big shoes. Eddie, son of master distiller Jimmy, rose through the ranks like his father.
I am your father.
Joining him as a master distiller in 2015, thus making Jimmy and Eddie the only active father and son duo of bourbon master distillers in the world. As usual, Wild Turkey has their own version of an old fashioned on their website, so I will leave a link to that below. So today we're going to be making a Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye Old Fashioned, where I am taking some of the best Wild Turkey has to offer and turning it into an amazing old fashioned cocktail. Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye is crafted in one of the few distilleries to remain dedicated to the art of rye whiskey. Rare Breed Rye is a blend of non-chilled filter rye. It is barrel proof, meaning that it is uncut, bottled directly from the barrels at the proof it has reached in those barrels. It is also sister to the award-winning Rare Breed Bourbon and the first permanent super premium rye in the Wild Turkey family. Now, when I was deciding how to make a Wild Turkey Rare Breed Old Fashioned, I was tempted to make a cinnamon-infused honey simple syrup to complement the rye and to add a little bit of sweetness. But after tasting the Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye neat, it was such a great rye that I decided, let's let that shine and let's keep it simple stupid. So let's make a Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye Old Fashioned. Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye Old Fashioned ingredients: 2 ounces Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye, 1 cube Demerara sugar, 2 dashes orange bitters, 1 dash Angostura bitters, 1 bar spoonful of tonic water. How to make Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye Old Fashioned. In a chilled rock glass, add 1 cube of Demerara sugar and 1 dash of Angostura bitters and 2 dashes of orange bitters. Also pour in 1 bar spoonful of tonic water. Muddle the sugar well. Now pour in the Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye. Add 1 large ice cube. Stir for 20 to 30 times. Now taste and enjoy. Cocktail quiz time. How did Wild Turkey get its name? Answer: according to company lore, Wild Turkey got its name after a distillery executive named Thomas McCarthy was on an annual turkey hunting trip and shared some samples of whiskey. The bourbon proved to be so popular among his friends they continued to ask him for that Wild Turkey bourbon. So here we are, just finished making the Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye Old Fashioned. Now looking at this one, looking at the proof, it comes in at 112.2 proof. Those little higher proofs go perfect for making an old fashioned. It doesn't overpower the flavor, but you get to taste that rye. So here we go, we're gonna taste it now. Smelling that orange oil on top from when we squeeze that orange oil over the top of it. A little bit of sweet caramel, a little bit of fruit on that. Gives way to a complex like wood flavor that you taste that rye, that spiciness of the rye. Very good, very balanced, not sweet. Get to taste that rye. The rye's nice in there. It's from the beginning to the end. This stays on your tongue. Has a nice, pleasant, fading warmth that goes through. Now this Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye Old Fashioned is a great drink. Even drinking the Wild Turkey Rye by itself, just neat over some ice, is an amazing drink, a great sipper. Really enjoy this on its own, but turn it into an old fashioned, next level. Definitely a next level old fashioned. I'm gonna give this one an 8.2 out of 10. We'll be drinking this definitely again, sharing this with my wife. I know she'll like it because she prefers ryes, so I know she's really gonna like this one. Great drink, perfect. Let this Wild Turkey Rare Breed Rye stand out in this drink and enjoy it. So if you're the type that likes to sip on a rye, this is a great drink for you. Perfect old fashioned for you. Give it a try. So if you like these videos, please click on the next link and we'll see you down the next old fashioned rabbit hole. Cheers.